Hello. Practice session number 2 of today. The baby woke up. So, I mean, not baby, the kid woke up. So I can now speak normally instead of whispering. So I believe I did mention at some point in the past, over the past few days, that I find CW a sort of meditative experience. I take that back. Introducing a new character to the equation is incredibly stressful. So I'm sort of, you know, approaching the practice session. I'm sort of apprehensive again, and I can feel it, right? Um, and the fact that there are like it's lesson 3. I did say it was lesson 4 in the last video. It's lesson 3. There are just 4 characters, but the fact of there being like 40 lessons, it's sort of daunting. I mean, it does get meditative or meditative. I'm not sure how it's supposed to be pronounced. Um, once you get into the flow, then sort of it really is. It's I would even say that it's relaxing, right? It's a nice thing to do, but um, this new character sort of makes it all um, well, you know, stressful again. Mm, I'll keep on trying though. And with that being said, off we go with study session number 2 of today with the new letter R. So now we've got K, M, U, and R. Okay, let's listen to R again. Again. Right, let's do it. um, this play click doesn't come lightly. Okay, well, let's check the result. Hey, 6 errors. Really nice, really good, crazy good outcome. Only on the second practice session. Perfect. I mean, I'm actually very surprised at how well it went. So actually, the fact that there's R now sort of makes me before I had only UK and M, I caught myself thinking about which letter to press, right, when hearing the sound. And now I'm sort of doing it automatically. I'm only thinking about R. So I guess that the brain tries to automatize this under more stress, I'd say. Not stress as in cortisol release, but under more stress as in um, more data, like larger data input. Although they're like 4 characters, what larger data input is it really? But uh, I suppose you get what I mean. That previously there was 3, and now there's 4, and so this automatic, the part of the brain responsible for automatizing such tasks as translating, your auditory input into your tactile output is taken over, and I sort of felt doing it unconsciously now, which is very nice. This is this sort of, Zen flow thing that I was talking about of losing just on the previous practice session. Really nice. I'm very happy with the outcome. Hopefully, it'll continue in this vein. But it was a very pleasant experience actually. And hey, 6 errors. I can live with that. Okay. Uh, Thank you very much for tuning in. And 73.